A fully renovated 3-story smart home situated within the high-demand Upper Beaches Estates neighborhood. Welcome to 15 Flagman Street. With hundreds of thousands spent on both interior and exterior upgrades, this home has a front patio with new pillars, cast iron railings surrounding its second-level balcony, as well as front and backyards landscaped with stone interlocking. Showcasing approximately 3,400 square feet of stunning living space, upgraded floor tiles finish the foyer, where decor columns grace the entry into the main level living and dining rooms. Elegantly combined entertaining spaces, this open concept room is brightened with LED pot lighting, modern chandeliers, and natural light through a 6-foot wide window complete with a Hunter Douglas blind. And this room also showcases gorgeous hardwood floors, crown moldings, and the warmth of a double-sided gas fireplace. Completely remodeled to create a more open space, bathed in light through a 10-foot wide window complete with Hunter Douglas blinds, and also enjoying the warmth of the double-sided gas fireplace, the kitchen area has a fresh, tasteful decor, beautiful light-colored floor tiles, and LED pot lighting that give this room a bright, airy atmosphere. The redesigned working area of the kitchen showcases a center island with seating, a stainless steel undermount sink with instant hot water, and a garburator. Cabinetry with pantry storage and double-stacked uppers with glass-paneled accent doors, a spacious breakfast area, pendant, undermount, and interior accent lighting, granite counters and backsplashes, as well as built-in stainless steel appliances including a wall oven and microwave, a 5-burner gas cooktop with a pot filler faucet, a French door fridge, and a dishwasher, while crown moldings add an elegant finishing touch to this exceptional family and workspace. The staircases to all the levels have been upgraded and feature hardwood treads with white risers and railings with wrought iron pickets, with the first of these staircases carrying to a second level showcasing hardwood flooring throughout, 3 bedrooms, a guest washroom, and a grand family entertainment room. The second and third bedrooms enjoy a sun-washed south-facing exposure, and their windows are dressed with wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling drapery, complementing their light, neutral decor. While the floor-to-ceiling drapes and a warm color palette in the fourth bedroom gives it a cozy, restful aura. The guest washroom has been updated with a stone-top vanity and LED mirror, a tiled shower area with glass doors, and a heated bidet toilet. While at the north end of this level is the outstanding entertainment room. Showcasing a soaring 17-foot cathedral ceiling with a 6-foot wide ceiling fan, a wall-to-wall art niche with accent lighting, and windows surrounding a walkout onto the balcony overlooking the street, this superb entertaining space also has 9.2 speaker wiring installed for home theater enjoyment. The third level is dedicated to the south-facing master suite, which has been completely redesigned to create a stunning private oasis. Through a double-door entry is a bedroom showcasing gorgeous walnut hardwood flooring, a ceiling fan and LED pot lighting, a gas fireplace, and 2 walk-in closets. The ensuite washroom is simply stunning, with this spa-like retreat showcasing a vanity with stone counter, LED mirrors and undermount basins, a heated bidet toilet, a standalone tub with a handheld shower, as well as a glass shower area with a bench seat and rain, steam, and handheld showers. The ensuite is finished with gorgeous wall and floor tiles, with wiring installed for a heated floor, while sliding doors with opaque glass panels provide privacy. Completing this sun-washed oasis is a lovely cove space with a floor-to-ceiling all-weather window dressed with a custom cornice and coordinating draperies. Naturally bright during the day and illuminated by an exquisite modern chandelier at night, this enchanting sitting area can be enjoyed anytime all year long. A smart home. Approximately $15,000 was spent on its home automation system that includes Wi-Fi locks and motion sensors. And this home has many other features as part of its extensive renovations, including new roofs for both the house and the double-car garage, which is also drywalled, has storage areas and pot lighting, a whole house water filtration system with reverse osmosis, updated light fixtures and pot lights with LED and hue color lighting throughout, redesigned washrooms, including a powder room with a heated bidet toilet, LED mirror, and a live edge wood vanity, as well as a fully and professionally finished lower level that is ideal for family enjoyment or as an in-law suite. This level showcases wide plank laminate flooring throughout, has a full kitchen with beautiful appointments and stainless steel appliances, as well as a full washroom which includes a spa system with its glass shower. This level also features 2 sets of washers and dryers, a high-efficiency instant water heater, ample storage, as well as a spacious bedroom and a recreation area. This home is located in a family-oriented community and is within the catchment area of top-notch schools, including Adam Beck Jr. and Glen Ames Senior Public Schools, as well as Malvern Collegiate and Danforth Collegiate and Technical Institutes, while recreational and outdoor facilities are just minutes away. Danforth Avenue and Kingston Road shopping and restaurants are close at hand, as well as the Main Street Subway and Danforth GO stations. And this home is also within walking distance to the beach neighborhood, as well as to the boardwalk and beach along Lake Ontario.